Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to check the Ethereum BTC chart and take a look at the potential support zone for altcoins. And will we see the altcoin season or not in the next few weeks or months? Let's dive in. Guys, technically, everything looks so bad. Just to be honest, yes. And now what is bad also, everybody screaming we're going to the moon with alts. By seasonality and by logic, yes, I still believe we can go in the next 4 or 5 months up, but not all altcoins, unfortunately, guys, pump so much. Like you can see, some alts, some strong alts like Mantra, XRP, even XRP, Sol, sweep it the high, what do we got? Fetch AI from AI sector, Sui, perform pretty good one. What else? So many tokens, right? Pump, pretty good one. But a lot of, Injective by the way, but a lot of alts still underrated and lay down at the bottom, almost at the level of 2022. Some of them, like Algo, already swept the all-time low historical one. Yes, Algo bounced it from 8 cents to 60. It was a good pump, but it's not what everybody waiting for. Everybody waiting some crazy miracle, some super cycle for alts. And the problem is a lot of stuff is priced in for altcoins. All these narratives about mass adoption, all of that rumors about the BTC like reserve for United States, all this hype around the Trump, and guys, chart looks totally bearish one. Bearish one technically, but like we know, we can't go down forever, we can't move up forever. This is, by the way, the monthly chart. Like you can remember, when we form something like this one, it's just a basic order flow, but on a monthly time frame. So believe it or not, but sooner or later, just we will see something like this. Or stop it here, for example, and drop it down again, and form some now start form like double bottom, so then we bounce it. After that, in the next 26, we drop it down again. Maybe we'll form the new low, and after that, like I explained it during the main video about a total capitalization, after that, just in theory, it's just hypothetical targets. We can go and hit 0.14, 0.15 for Ethereum to BTC, and this will be the super cycle for altcoins, but not now. But of course, guys, I can be absolutely wrong. Yes, maybe we'll see the super cycle now. Who knows? But now everything looks so bad. For us, it was a yearly open. This is a monthly favorable gap done. Technically, we can delete this one also. Next, a liquidity pool is here. So this is the main one. This is liquidity pool of December 2020. So imagine how bad altcoins looks now. So it's Ethereum BTC, but the Ethereum is like main coin, main trigger, to identify the altcoin season. So everything looks so bad, guys. Yes, I believe in altcoin season, and I hope we'll hold the line and going higher. But I don't think so. We go over then top of this one, top of December 2021. This one. No, I think we will see some bounce, but not so brightful like everybody waiting for. Take a look with my customer Krisa, what's going on now. Alts in crazy accumulation condition. Last time when we trade around this level, it was here, November 17. But keep in mind, it was a drop, 1, 2, 3. 3 months was more than enough for Ethereum to BTC pump to end and finish the ride. So that's the point, guys. Technically, also on the market mood, we're in this belief zone. So, but we can trade long-term period in this belief zone. So now I don't know if we will not pump in the next 4 months, guys. Summer 2025 will be also bearish one. So, guys, I don't have some crazy bullish news. Technically, looks everything bad, but of course, when everything looks bad, it's a good opportunity to buy. But anyway, the problem is now a lot of altcoins, and which one will perform? Because there's not enough liquidity to pump all of altcoins. So that's a question. So if the previous cycle we got like not so much tokens, now we got millions, just millions tokens. It's crazy. It's crazy, and we don't have enough liquidity to pump all of them. So market mood is in disbelief. Capitulation, if we'll see something like a COVID dump, it can be like this one. But by timing, I can't even imagine how it can happen now. In this case, the Ethereum should drop to, I don't know, to 2K500 again, and what will happen with the other alts? All right, trade on money power. Money inflow step by step in alts in October 2024. That's why you can see some alts from October 2024 perform pretty good one. Yes, some of them. You can open the chart of SUI. We hit new all-time high. Mantra hit new all-time high again. Some perform. A lot of meme tokens perform pretty good one, but not Ethereum. Imagine the Sol already swept the all-time high and Ethereum still not. So that's kind of bad. Or maybe we shift the trend, and now we have to take a look like Sol BTC or I don't know, XRP BTC chart to identify the potential altcoin season. Now we lay down at the bottom. So technically, guys, it's a good time for accumulation altcoins. But when they will pump again, we can't know by timing. Unfortunately, we can't. So this was a signal to sell, buy back. If we will see the signal to buy, it will be the good one. Here was a buy. October 2023, some alts pump. Here's a lot of divergency, bullish one divergency. Here's a money inflow again. Here was a signal to buy at the beginning of November, but we're still in a downtrend. So let's hope we're gonna sweep just this low to 0.0292 and bounce. Because if we'll drop even lower from this one, 29% more, it will be the craziness, just craziness. Last indicator, what I would like to show you is take profit. Also, yes, the good things, guys, we build the order flow. So yes, sooner or later, we will bounce. But the question is when. So that's a problem. So now I'm not touch any altcoins. Take a look, the fundamental value of BTC, Ethereum BTC, it's 0.0259. So it's kind of bad on a weekly. On the monthly, fundamental, it's almost the same. That's why, guys, it's kind of bad, and I don't have any good news. The good news is one day all this downfall will stop. And I hope we'll see something like this one. But the top will be here. So around 0.07. So this is my take. And after that, we'll drop again. So let's pray we'll see this parabolic move in the next 4 months. Because if not, it can be the pretty hard for altcoins. So guys, let's wait the potential bounce sweep of this low on Ethereum BTC, and money and liquidity can start inflow finally in alts. Because if not, unfortunately, maybe this cycle we're gonna skip the altcoin season. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment when do you think we will see the altcoin season, and if we will see. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.